Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KGMU Georgians.
Happy Navratri to all of you.
I hope you all are enjoying your days.
So today we will go on our hostel tour, Old VL Hostel. This is the outer view of our Old VL Hostel and this is the parking area. So let's begin our hostel tour. So here's the front view of our hostel where the guard does their duties. So now moving inside. These are the rooms and this is the lobby of one side. Let's move forward. Now moving towards our beautiful mess. Let's move inside. Auntie, क्या कर रहे हो? This is our mess. This is the sitting area for students where they do their lunch and dinner. This is the where auntie makes beautiful foods. It's very hygienic. We are moving out of the mess. Now let's move towards the cleaning area. It is the way to go upstairs on the second floor. This is the safe hygienic water zone. Hello Neetu. Now let's move forward. These are the rooms. This is the second lobby. And here comes the washing area and washroom too. To the second floor of our hostel. Here comes the TV room where we watch TV and also we plan for the parties. Now moving inside. Comes the sports room as well as study room. Oh, it is closed now. Here we used to study. Oh, the sports room is locked, otherwise I will show you. But you can see carom board is placed and of course table tennis. Second floor is same as the first floor and this is the canteen area. From here we go to the canteens. Second floor is same, structure is same, rooms are there. This is the lobby and on the next side there is second lobby too.
Thank you for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.